The Arctic is facing an unprecedented crisis, with sea ice vanishing at an alarming rate of 13% per decade since 1979. In response, UK-based startup Real Ice has launched a groundbreaking $6 billion initiative, deploying sophisticated underwater drones beneath the Arctic ice to refreeze one of Earth's most crucial ecosystems. Working with the Center for Climate Repair at Cambridge University, this ambitious engineering project could be our best chance to prevent an environmental catastrophe. Since satellite records began in 1979, we've been witnessing an unprecedented decline in Arctic sea ice at a rate of 13% per decade. But what does this really mean for our planet? The answer lies in a devastating chain reaction that's already in motion. When white, reflective ice disappears, it exposes dark ocean waters that absorb more heat, a phenomenon known as Arctic amplification. This creates a vicious cycle. More heat absorption leads to more ice loss, which in turn leads to even more warming. The consequences are far-reaching and potentially catastrophic. As we speak, coastal erosion is intensifying along Arctic shorelines, leaving communities vulnerable. Wildlife species that have called the Arctic home for millennia, like polar bears and seals, are losing their hunting grounds and breeding territories. Perhaps most alarming is the weakening of the jet stream, which is leading to more persistent and extreme weather patterns in mid-latitude regions where billions of people live. Enter Real Ice, a UK-based startup that's proposing something unprecedented, a $6 billion initiative to refreeze the Arctic using cutting-edge technology. Working in close collaboration with the Center for Climate Repair at the University of Cambridge, Real Ice has developed a solution that could buy us precious time in the fight against climate change. At the heart of Real Ice's solution lies a fleet of autonomous underwater drones equipped with an array of sophisticated technologies. Each drone carries a 2-kilogram container of green hydrogen stored at 700 bar pressure, generating at least 40 kilowatt-hours of energy through fuel cells. These mechanical marvels navigate the treacherous underwater environment using vertical and horizontal sonar, creating virtual maps as they move. But how exactly do they work? The process begins with heated drilling devices that penetrate the ice from below. Once through, specialized pumping systems extract seawater and spray it onto the surface, where it freezes naturally, adding to the ice mass. At the end of winter, an additional layer of water is sprayed to create protective snow coverage, helping to preserve the ice through warmer months. The results from initial tests have been nothing short of remarkable. In controlled environments, these drones have increased ice thickness by up to 31 inches. Using just a 600-watt pump, they've managed to cover approximately 4,000 square meters. Each ocean-based hub can manage between 100 to 300 drones, with potential coverage areas reaching up to 2,000 square kilometers per hub. Real Ice's vision extends far beyond small-scale tests. Their ultimate goal? To maintain the existing 4 million square kilometers of Arctic sea ice and potentially restore it to 1980s levels, an impressive 7 million square kilometers. We're talking about refreezing an area more than twice the size of California. This massive undertaking serves multiple critical purposes. Beyond preserving what Real Ice calls Earth's refrigerator, the project aims to prevent catastrophic tipping points that could lead to rapid ocean warming while also protecting against ocean acidification and increased storm intensity. However, as with any pioneering venture of this scale, significant challenges lie ahead. The most immediate concern is scalability. The Arctic Ocean spans over 14 million square kilometers. Can this technology effectively cover such vast expanses? Environmental scientists have raised valid concerns about potential ecosystem disruption. The introduction of artificially created ice could alter ocean chemistry and affect the behavior of Arctic wildlife. There's also the question of ice composition. The saltier ice created through seawater pumping might actually accelerate summer melting rather than prevent it. The logistics are equally daunting. Deploying approximately 10 million wind-powered pumps across just 10% of the Arctic Ocean would require unprecedented coordination and resources. And with a price tag of $6 billion, questions about cost effectiveness and return on investment naturally arise. The clock is ticking. Scientists predict the first blue ocean event, a completely ice-free Arctic summer, or could occur within the next 10 to 20 years. In response, Real Ice is preparing to deploy its first full-scale system in 2024, marking a crucial milestone in this ambitious endeavor. As we stand at this critical juncture in human history, Real Ice's initiative represents more than just technological innovation. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our determination to preserve our planet's delicate balance. While some critics argue that such projects might distract from addressing root causes of climate change, others see it as a necessary stopgap measure, buying us precious time to implement more comprehensive solutions. The question that remains is this: will this bold experiment in environmental engineering prove to be the solution our planet desperately needs? As Real Ice prepares for its 2024 deployment, the world watches with bated breath, hoping that these underwater guardians might help turn the tide in our fight against climate change. What do you think about Real Ice's Arctic refreezing project? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more innovative technology updates. Thanks for watching.